Welcome to BuyTheDip.news. Today is March 26, 2026. Our AI model found 13 stocks today with both an article rating of buy and a metric score rating of buy, based on our fundamental and technical analysis. In this video, we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. QBTS D-Wave Quantum Incorporated Technology Sector. Computer Hardware. D-Wave Quantum Inc. QBTS announced that it will launch a new podcast series, Quantum Matters, on April 7, 2026, reinforcing its unique position as the world's first commercial quantum computing company. The podcast will feature conversations with industry leaders, researchers, academics, and scientists on how quantum computing is applied across business and science today, and where the technology is headed. Hosted by Murray Tom, D-Wave Vice President of Quantum Technology Evangelism, the podcast will examine how organizations are currently using quantum computing to solve computationally complex problems in areas such as manufacturing, supply chain, aerospace, life sciences, and artificial intelligence. D-Wave Quantum is the first and only to offer dual-platform quantum computing products and services spanning both annealing and gate-model quantum computing technologies, with more than 100 organizations across commercial, government, and research sectors trust it to address complex computational challenges. Here are the key growth metrics for QBTS: sales growth trailing 12 months, 178.5%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, minus 11.3%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 163.4%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 82.6%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 68.5%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 75.00 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, QBTS article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 75.00 out of 100, metric rating, buy. AGI Alamos Gold Incorporated Basic Materials Sector. Gold. Alamos Gold Inc. AGI announced that it has filed its annual information form and 2025 annual report on Form 40F, including its audited financial statements for the year ended December 31, 2025 with the SEC on EDGAR as well as the Canadian Securities Authorities on SEDAR+. Alamos is a Canadian-based intermediate gold producer with diversified production from 3 operations in North America, including the Island Gold District and Young-Davidson Mine in Northern Ontario, Canada, and Mulatos District in Sonora State, Mexico. Alamos Gold employs more than 2,400 people and is committed to the highest standards of sustainable development, with shares traded on the TSX and NYSE under the symbol AGI. Alamos has a strong portfolio of growth projects including IGD expansion and Lynn Lake project in Manitoba, Canada, and a hard copy will be provided to shareholders free of charge upon request. Here are the key growth metrics for AGI: sales growth trailing 12 months, 34.3%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 39.8%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 48%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 53.3%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 27.0%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 86.80 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, AGI article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 86.80 out of 100, metric rating, buy. CORT Corcept Therapeutics Incorporated, a biopharmaceutical company. Healthcare sector. Biotechnology. The FDA greenlit the selective glucocorticoid receptor agonist based on Phase 3 Rosella study results showing that the drug plus nab-paclitaxel significantly boosted both progression-free survival and overall survival over nab-paclitaxel alone in patients with refractory, platinum-resistant disease. The drug is specifically indicated for patients who have received 1 to 3 prior treatments, including at least 1 course of Roche's VEGF blocker Avastin, bevacizumab, with global data projecting the drug expected to generate $2 in 2031. Corcept stock value climbed more than 18. Here are the key growth metrics for CORT sales growth trailing 12 months, 12.8%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 52.3%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 74.7%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 98.3%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 67.1%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 87.50 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, CORT article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 87.50 out of 100, metric rating, buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are 10 more buy-rated stocks today that you can view at BuyTheDip.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours, along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.